I'm going to take the except problems of arithmetic progression. Here the thing. So last period you learned that one. So what is an arithmetic progression and what is the general formula of arithmetic progression and what is the formula to find the nth term. So you know that one nth term, that's what a n is equal to what a plus minus 1 into d. So this is the formula can be used to find the what nth term of the arithmetic progression. Here generally it is related to what terms. Here the except problems I'm going to solve. Here I'll show that which is the problem I'm going to solve. Here observe the number 16th. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Determine the AP using the seventh term and fifth term and comparison. So you have to write that what will be the arithmetic progression terms you are getting. Here let us see how to solve that problem. Here third term is 16. Third term is what? A3. That's what? 16. And one more thing is given, seventh term. Seventh term is A7. Exceeds the fifth term. Exceed means plus. So exceeds the fifth term by how much? 12. Okay. Using these two things, you have to find the arithmetic progression. Means terms of the arithmetic progression. Means, so what are the terms we are getting? Observe that one. Here A3 using the formula an is equal to what? A plus n minus d. So what it can be written as A3, n means what? 3. So A plus n means what? 3 minus 1 into d. Here value of third term is given 16. Write that in place of A3 is what? 16. Here A plus 3 minus what? 2d. Take this as expression or equation 1. After that, I want to take this A7 is equal to A plus A5 plus 12. Means seventh term exceeds fifth term by how much? 12. That thing is given in the problem only. A7 using the an only. How to express a plus n means what? 7 minus 1 into d is equal into. Here a5 means what? A plus n means what? 5 minus 1 into d plus, don't forget, write the what? 12. Here simplify, that's what a plus 7 minus 1 what? That is 6d. It is equivalent to a plus, so 5 minus 1, that's what? 4d. Okay. Here a common is there. If you transfer that become minus, instead of that here only you may cancel. Plus a minus a cancel. Here don't forget. So plus d will be means plus 12. Here transfer this 4d from right to left. So then what are you getting? 6d is equal to what? That is so 6d minus 4 into d is equal to what? 12. So that is 6d minus 4d. What are you getting? 2d is equal to what? 12. Here this the 12 is the multiple of 2. You are only you may divide into is there 12 ones 12 6. Therefore d is equal to what? 6. Now you got that one common difference. What is that is 6. Using this d, I want to find the what? A. Here I'm going to use the equation 1. So that is a plus 2d is equal to what? 16. In place of d, put that 6. Here a plus the sign between 2 and d into, in place of d, what have to write? That is 6 is equal to what? 16. Here multiply, that's what? A plus 2 6 12 is equal to what? 16. and transfer this 12 from left to right, that becomes minus. So that is a is equal to what? 16 minus 12. So subtract 12 from 16, what are getting? 4. Therefore, a is equal to what? 4. Using a and d, we need to find the what terms of the AP. So then first term is what? That is simple, we got. Second term a plus d. A means what? 4. D means what? 6. Adding those, what are getting? 10. Okay. After that, third term, that's what? A plus 2 into D. Very simple. 4 plus sine between 2 and D. That's what? 2 into 6. Method what? 4 plus 2 6 are what? 12. Adding this, what are getting? 16. So therefore, what are the terms of that AP? 4, 10 and 16. Therefore, so AP, what you got? First term is what? 4. Second term is what? 10. Third term is what? 16 and so on. So in this way, you find the what terms of the AP. Here the thing is very simple. So what that question given? That is third term is given 16 and seventh term exceed the fifth term by 12. Here a3 means what? In place of and put 3. So that becomes a plus 2d. So a plus 2d is equal to 16. Take that equation 1. Here a7 in place of n you have to use the what? 7. A plus 7 minus 1 d is equal to what? A plus 5 minus 1 into d plus 12. Here simplify a plus 6d you are getting. Here a plus 4d you are getting plus 12. Here a is common is if you transfer that becomes minus. So here only you may cancel. After that take this 4d from right to left, that becomes minus. Here 6d minus 4d, what are getting? 12. So here 2d is equal to what? 12 you are getting 2 1s, 2 6. Therefore d is equal to what? 6. Using this value of d in the equation 1, then what are getting? A plus 2 into e is equal to 16. So in place of d, 6. 2 into 6, what are getting? 12. 12 transpose that one. A is equal to what? 16 minus 12. Therefore, A is equal to what? 16 minus 12 means 4. Therefore, A is equal to what? 4. So anyway, first term is what? 4. And second term A plus D, A 4 plus 6 is equal to what? 10. A plus 2D, A plus 2 into 6, what are getting? 4 plus 2, 6 are 12. Adding this 16. Therefore, the terms of the AP is what? 4, 10, 16. In this way, we can get the what? Terms of the arithmetic progression. Okay. Next, after this, I'll take that next question. That is question number 18th in the exercise problem. Here, the sum of the fourth and eighth terms of an AP is 24, and the sum of the sixth and tenth term is 44. Find the first three terms of the AP. Okay, so what the thing given here? Sum of the sixth and term is given, and sum of the fourth and eighth term is given. Sum of the fourth and eighth term is what? 24. Sum of the sixth and term is what? 44. Using those two, what to find? The first three terms of the AP. Okay, let us see how to solve this problem. Okay, here, so the sum of the fourth and eighth terms is given. Sum of the fourth and eighth term is, that is A4 plus A4 plus A8, that is given how much? So that is 24. And sum of the sixth and tenth term A6 plus tenth term is A10 is equal to what? 24. Here, sum of the fourth and eighth term is what? 24. Sum of the sixth and tenth is what? 24. Using this, sorry, 44 this one, okay, not 24, 44. Here, you have to use the identity relation. An is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into d. Here, A4 plus A48, the thing is given. A4 plus A8 is what? 24. In place of A4, I want to write A plus 4 minus 1 into D plus A8. A plus 8 minus 1 into D is equal to what? 24. Here 1a like terms added 1a means 2a plus here 3d plus 8 minus 1, that's what 7d is equal to what 24. Add these two terms, that is 2a plus 10d is equal to what 24. Here 2 can be taken factorized, 2 is factorized, 2 is outside the bracket, a plus 5d is equal to what 24. Here 24 divisible by 2, 2 ones are 2 12s are. Therefore, we are getting the equation a plus 5d is equal to what 12. Take this equation 1. After that, I am going to take a6 plus a10 is equal to what 44. That is a6 plus a10 is equal to what 44. a6 using this relation an, okay, what do you think you are getting? A plus 6 minus 1 into d plus a10 means what? A plus 10 minus 1 into d is equal to what? That is 44. Sorry, yeah, it's 44. Write that one. Here 1a that becomes 2a. Here 6 minus 1 5d plus 10 minus 1 9d is equal to what? 44. Here these two are the like terms, add that one. 2a plus 5d plus 9d 14d, okay, is equal to 44. Here take 2 common. If you take 2 common inside the bracket, a plus 7d is equal to what? 44. Here 44 divisible by 2 outside the bracket, into is there, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Therefore, what are getting? A plus 7d is equal to what? 22. Take this as expression 2. Okay. Here a plus 5 is what? 12. A plus and what? 22. These two are the what? Simultaneous linear equation. Why? Two variables A and D can be seen. So subtract 1 from 2. Very simple. 2 minus 1. Here I am going to subtract. That's what? A plus 7D is equal to what? 22. From that, what I am going to subtract? A plus, so 5D is equal to what? 12. Here subtract, by subtracting a can be cancelled. Minus, minus, minus. Plus a minus a cancel. 70 minus 5D, you are getting what? 2D. Here subtract 12 from 22, you are getting 10. Here you may reduce into sin is there, 2 ones, 2 fives. Therefore, what are you getting? D is equal to what? 5. If D is 5, you may find the what? A using n of the equation 1 and 2. It's better to use a plus 5D. A plus 5D is equal to what? 12. In place of D, put 5. Then what thing happening? A plus 5 into 5 is equal to what? 12. Here a plus 5 5 is 25 is equal to what? 12. Here between plus sign is there, transpose, that becomes minus. Therefore, a is equal to what? That is 12 minus 25. That is nothing to what? Minus, that is nothing to what? Minus 13. Using the value of D and A, you have to find the first three terms of the AP. So, here first term, A, that's what? A is equal to what? Minus 13, that's over. Second term, A2 is equal to what? A plus D. A is what? A, what you got? Minus 13. Okay. Plus D what that? 5. Minus 13 plus 5. Bigger numbers in minus. Okay. So if you subtract 5 from 13, what? 8. After that, third term, A3. A plus, that's what? 2 into D. Very simple. A is what? Minus 13 plus 2 into D. 5 is equal to what? What thing happening? Minus 13 plus 10. 2 5s are what? 10. So what are you getting? Minus 3. Therefore, first three terms of the AP, what are that? Minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3. In this way, we can get the first three terms of the arithmetic progression. I repeat, here what that sum of the fourth term and eighth term is given 24, and sum of the sixth term and tenth term is given 44. Using the relation an is equivalent to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. A plus n minus 1 into d. What are getting? That is a4. A4 means what? A plus 4 minus 1 into d plus this plus. Don't forget a8. A8 means what? A plus 8 minus 1 into d what? 24. Here 1a that becomes 2a plus 3d plus 7d is equal to what? 24. Okay, adding 3d plus 7d, you are getting the what? 10d. That's what 2a plus 10d is equal to what? 24. Here 2 is factorized, that outside the bracket. From this 2 you may reduce the what? 24. To 1s to 12s. Therefore a plus 5d is equal to what? 12. Take this as equation 1. After that, a6 plus a10 is equal to what? 44. A6 means what? A plus 6 minus 1 into d plus a10 means what? A plus 10 minus d is equal to what? 44. Here 1a that becomes 2a plus 5d plus 9d. Add those, they are the like terms, so that becomes 14d is equal to what? 44. Here 2 is factorized. So from the 2 reduce to 44 to 1s 2 22s. Therefore a plus 7d is equal to what? 22. Equation, take this equation 2. Equation 1 and 2, they are the what? Simultaneous linear equations. You have to solve for a and d. So subtract 1 from 2. So therefore a plus 2d is equal to 22. From this what I am going to subtract? A plus 5d is equal to what? 12. Here plus a minus a cancel. So what are you getting? 7d minus 5d. You are getting the what? 2d. Subtract 12 from 22. What are you getting? That is 10. Here 2 is there into sign. 2 1s, 2 5s, you may reduce. What you are getting? This is what? 5. After that is I want to find the value of a using the equation 1 or 2. Here I am going to use the equation 1. A plus 5 into d is equal to what? 12. Okay. In place of d, what have to put 5. So outside 5 is there. 5 into the sign between 5 into what? Into 5 5 is 25. A plus 25 is equal to what? 12. Here that is a transpose that plus 25 from left to right. Okay, here plus or minus n means you should take the transpose. Plus 25 becomes minus 25. Here a is equal to what? 12 minus 25. What are you getting? Minus 13. After that, I need to find the first term. Okay, sorry, already got the first term. A1 is equal to minus 13. I need to find the second term. So second term is what? A plus d. Here a means what? That is the minus 13. D means what? 5. So simplify these two. Bigger number sign is what? Minus. Difference is what? Minus 8. Here third term a plus 2d is equal to what? Minus 13 plus 2 5 is what? 10. So simplify. Bigger number sign what? Minus. The difference between these two what? Minus 3. Therefore, the terms of the AP, what that? That is first term. That's what? AP arithmetic progression. First three terms. That's what AP is minus 13 first term. Second is what? Minus 8. And third term minus 3. So in this way we can solve that problem. Okay. So what I solved today, these two are the what? Very important. So for the sake of examination. Here the thing is very simple. You use the relation n is equal to what? A plus n minus problems. So anyway, so using that relation a plus n is equal to a plus n minus d, we can solve the problem. So anyway, thank you for joining live YouTube program. So I need your support. So to continue this program, in the next class, I am going to say how to add the terms of the arithmetic progression. It is also called the what series? Okay, arithmetic series or simply series. Okay, how to add the terms of the arithmetic progression. There are many relationships you are getting. So first one is how to add the sum of the natural numbers. In the natural numbers, common difference is what? 1. So you are getting the one relation. Suppose common difference is more than 1. there again one more relation we're getting. Okay, in that way, we have to think over. So, in the next class, please do join. So, thank you for joining and supporting my live program. So, thank you very much. Bye.